Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can deactivate Instagram account. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you need to go to the bottom right corner over here in your profile icon. Once you are in the profile icon, what you need to do is just go to top right corner to these three lines, and now you are in the settings option. Now go to account center and scroll a bit down until you find this personal details. Now go to account ownership and control. From here, just choose deactivation or deletion option. Now, as you want to deactivate, firstly just choose your Instagram account. So as you want to deactivate your Instagram account, just choose this deactivate account. So just read it, deactivating your account is temporary. It means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. So as you press on continue, you will be able to deactivate your account. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.